why you want to join the profile like a specialist officer, basically agriculture officer? Why don't you want to join professionally officer in any nationalized bank? What is the reason? Why SO?
Sir, I did graduation as well as post graduation in agriculture. So I think my professional knowledge is more beneficial for the farmers. That's why I want to join as an agriculture officer.
Okay. May I know something about yourself?
Sir, I am from Pandharpur, which is in district Solapur. I completed graduation in agriculture from College of Agriculture, Baramati. I also did my post graduation in agriculture from Mahatma Phule Agriculture University, Rahuri. My specialization is agricultural biotechnology, sir.
Okay, as you did your bachelor's in the field of agriculture, so tell
Yes.
me, Sonali, if any farmer came to your desk, he is asking for Kisan credit card.
Okay.
So why Kisan credit card is only for farmers, and what are the requirement at your end?
Okay. Firstly, Kisan credit card is only for those farmers who want to take a short-term loan. This is only for agricultural loans like crop production or now it was extended for livestock as well and fisheries as well. So this is especially for farmers who need money for short term. That's all.
ओके मुझे ये बताओ सोनाली कि अगर कोई लोन आपके बहुत ज्यादा बारिश के कारण खराब हो गया या कोई आपने लोन दिया था किसी से वो बारिश के कारण या सूखा पड़ने के कारण उस लोन का रीपेमेंट नहीं आ पा रहा है तो उस कंडीशन में ऐसा कोई इंश्योरेंस अवेलेबल है क्या जो हम दे सकते हैं फार्मर्स को?
Sir, for it is those who take loan under Kisan credit card, it is compulsory for them to take insurance under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. So it is insured crop. That's why it will be insurance amount will be paid.
Okay.
So that farmers can repay their loan.
So what is basically जायद crop? जायद crop क्या होता है ये?
So that crop is a crop which is taken in between end of Rabi crop and starting of Kharif crop. That is summer crop. That is that crop. Like watermelon is also taken as that crop.
Okay. अब मुझे ये बताओ कि रबी और खरीफ जो क्रॉप्स हैं इसमें बेसिक डिफरेंस क्या है?
Sir, Rabi crops are those which are sown in winter season, which require cold climate and moist weather, while Kharif season crops are which require rainy season. That is the main difference between Kharif and Rabi crops.
Okay, very good. Which state is the largest producer of jute? And what are the uses of jute? Can you please elaborate?
So I'm confused about the largest producer of jute, but I can tell
क्या
you.
बनाते हैं? What are the uses of jute?
Main use of jute is the bags which we use as a gunny bags. That is the main use of jute. It is a fiber crop.
Okay. So what you think your basic knowledge, your agriculture knowledge is going to help our bank at up to which extent? Means which type of loan you feel that you will be comfortable?
So basically my knowledge is about agriculture. So I can guide farmers for what will be beneficial for them. Like if we take a loan for want to loan for some purpose, then which should be what they should take crops or in which way they should grow crops or other things, cultivate other things, so that it will be beneficial for them and they can get benefits from it and repay the loan. So I can guide them.
ओके सोनाली एक और चीज बताइए मुझे कि अगर कोई फार्म है मान लीजिए 2 एकड़ की जमीन है 2 एकड़ के जमीन पे हमने रबी का क्रॉप्स लगाया है, तो हम उस रबी को कितना फाइनेंस कर सकते हैं, ये डिसाइड कौन करता है?
So it depends upon the cost of cultivation of crops from its sowing to harvesting and marketing.
नहीं, बैंक को ये कैसे मालूम होता है कि मुझे रबी के लिए 20,000 रुपए देने हैं पर एकड़ या 40,000 रुपए देने हैं? ये तो बैंक अपने मन से दे सकता है फिर, या फिर ये कोई ऐसी अथॉरिटी है जो ये डिसाइड करती है कि हमें इस क्रॉप पे इतना रुपया देना है? व्हाट आर द कैलकुलेशंस? हाउ बैंक कैलकुलेट?
That will be calculated by agricultural officer only. So this crop requires what amount of loan and other things. The agricultural officer can decide this according to bank guidelines.
Are you aware of a scale of finance?
Sorry, sir?
A scale of finance, do you know a scale of finance?
No, sir. Sorry, sir. I don't know.
No. Okay. मेरे को ये बताओ सोनाली कि एज ए एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिसर आपको रूरल एरिया में जो फिनेंशियल लिटरेसी है उसको अगर प्रमोट करना होगा, तो व्हाट आर द मेथड्स यू आर गोइंग टू implement for the improvement of financial literacy, and how you are going to educate farmers? आवाज आ रही है आप तक मेरी? फिनेंशियल लिटरेसी आप कैसे बढ़ाएंगी?
मुझे पूछा है क्या
सोनाली? मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू इंक्रीज और penetrate the financial literacy in rural area. What are the method, what are the different tools and technique you are going to use, and what is basically financial literacy?
So first of all, we need to educate farmers or educate farmers about the basic things like how they can the basic things which they need. We should teach them to some leaders like or some young population in village. From the through them we can teach them.
Okay. What else? What else? मुझे आपके बैंक में अकाउंट खोलना है, क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Sorry sir, I don't know.
I want to open account in bank. What kind of document you will be asking?
For this we will be needing like Aadhaar card or PAN card, like identification card, and then other.
Okay, well, Sonali, tell me one thing. If you got the opportunity to serve as a probationary officer in any of the nationalized bank or State Bank of India, what will you do?
Sir, actually अभी तो मेरे पास कोई जॉब नहीं है. मैं जो जॉब चाहती हूँ अभी तो यही है कि AFO का जॉब है. तो अगर फ्यूचर में मिल जाता है तो देन आई विल डिसाइड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट कंडीशन.
फाइन. ओके. कुछ बैंक के बारे में बताओ कि ये बैंक फंक्शन कैसे करती है. हाउ बैंक फंक्शन? बैंक का जो मेन सोर्स है डिपॉजिट एंड लोन, इससे चलता है. They take deposits from few persons and they give it as a loan to other persons at some interest. So it works on the interest. It runs on the interest. Okay.